2017 Nissan Rogue SV forward Palatial Ruby service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000 miles synthetic oil change. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup. BG advanced formula W/MOA-Stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. BG fuel system cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. Winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive. Replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. CVT Transmission Service, BG CVT Fluid, cleaner and conditioner. Brake fluid service replaced all old fluid. 2633 City/Highway MVG.